Horses out, we have Carriero, Best to begin, Danari inside, Torres Benz. Well, he's racing in third and followed by Perfect Material and Heaven's Image. Carriero, the leader by about 3 for Balenka. Totis Best is Danari inside second. 2 lengths away in third comes well. Perfect Material and Heaven's Image. Into the turn they go. Carriero just in front. Totis Best is Danari inside second. 5 lengths away in third. Well. Perfect Material and Heaven's Image. They swing into the back. Carriero this time by about 3 for Balenka. Totis Best remains in second. Well, now coming closer in third. Then moving up now in fourth, Heaven's Image, Perfect Material. Carriero by Balenka and Hapa. Totis Best remains in second. Well in third. Perfect Material in fourth. Moving up on the outside is Heaven's Image. Carriero still in front by Balenka and Hapa. Totis Best once again on the outside. As they come down at the last 200. Carriero is still in front. Moving up, Totis Best on the outside. Carriero by about 2.5 lengths. Totis Best remains in second. Last 50 meters, we have Carriero. Second, Totis Best. Heaven's Image, Perfect Material, and well.